We'll be back. In part one, I've been explaining on the we last stop on the requirement for registering non-individual tax identification number. I had explained earlier that non-individual tax identification number, these are TIN number or tax identification number given to business entities or companies or NGOs. So I was explaining that for non-individual tax identification number, one of the requirements are the directors or the shareholders or those parties who are concerned in running the affair of the business or the companies. They must have their personal individual T number or their personal T number. Reason being, uh, if you're director of a company, you are running a company, you are an employer of that company. The company is the one employing you. Like my personal company, Spiderweb Online Solutions. Spiderweb Online Solution employs me, though I'm a director. So I have my personal team. The company is also having one, the personal, also its own team. So when it comes for filing return, me as a director, I also file my return. In future we shall get to know how to file those return, how to file the annual return, the director return, the income tax return of the companies. So we shall do all those things practical on this channel. That's why I say subscribe, like and share. Turn on the notification so that you'll be updated every time whenever we drop one video content here, so that we get to learn more. Our work, our life here is building business entities, seeing how you can employ yourself. We are not looking at being employed. We are looking at a company is employing you, but you must be the director of the company. You must see how you can run the company day to day. So I was explaining one of the requirement is the company must have, the director must have the T number or the shareholder must have the T number. Then certificates of incorporations or certificates of registration from Registration Service Bureau. Then company form 20. Company form 20, it states all the list of the director of one of the companies. So all the requirement for registering uh, non-individual TIN number. So the last question is, how do I register what company? How do I register TIN number? Right now, Uganda Revenue Authority, they have simplified the process of TIN number registrations. In the old systems, we had a system whereby you go to URA web portal by visiting URA website www.ura.go.ug. Then you click on the e-service. After e-service, you go and download the Excel sheet. You turn on those macros. That's when you're applying for one, for both non-individual and individual company. Then you fill all those details required. So the process used to take long and it will disturb people. So right now URA have simplified registering for individual T number. When you're registering individual T number, that is for an individual, for person. It cannot even take you 5 minutes. Just go to URA website, click on the e-service. When you click on the e-service, it will take you to a form whereby the first thing you will select that option of individual tax identification number. You fill in your national ID. When you fill in your national ID, your NIN number, the one of national ID. When you fill in your NIN number, you enter your date of birth. When you enter the date of birth, the system is integrated with a NIRA database, so it will bring your name automatically. It will bring the name automatically. It will bring the gender automatically. Then you select your marital status. Then you select also your status, either Mr. or Miss or Doctor. After selecting that, you go and select your employer. When you with employer, you will enter the T number of your employer. If your employer is like, maybe let's say Spiderweb Online Solution is the one employing you, just put the T number of Spiderweb Online Solution. You click in the next drops along an employer's name. The system will bring the employer's name automatically after inputting the T number. Then you fill the rest of the information, the address where you are located, the phone number, the email. Then you go and select that I'm not a robot. You click submit. The tin is automatically submitted. This work only with the individual tin number. But if you want to go and apply for non-individual tin number, which is for the company, you have to use the URA all systems, whereby you go to URA website, you click on the e-service, you go and select non-individual, you download the Excel sheet. When you download the Excel sheet, you fill the Excel sheet separate. All those information, you find it there. Where is written asterisk with red, please make sure you fill it. Is a must case, is a mandatory. Then after finishing filling all, you validate. After validating it, it will tell you there is no errors. Then you go back to your web portal, you go and upload. After uploading, you submit. Then your tin will be approved. So when you're submitting, you print out when you click submit, it will bring you the tin application form. You print out the documents. When you print the document, you attach the requirement, the one I told you, the certificates of incorporations, company form 30, the director's ID must also be attached. Then you take to the nearby Uganda Revenue Authority stations or service center. Then your tin will be approved within 3 working days. Then you will receive the notification on your email, the email you have used for registering. That is for what? For the company tin number. But for the individual, you can use the simple. So if you want to get in touch with us, you need assistance on getting tin registration, please visit our business consulting help desk. We shall assist you on your tin registrations. If you have a company, you need advice on tax advisory, please contact us on all our social media platform, Facebook, YouTube. We have shared link on our business consulting help desk WhatsApp group, whereby you can send us questions, you can inbox us, we respond to you, we give you these services. If you want to be part of our community, join our WhatsApp general community groups as we share ideas about business consultings, ideas about blockchain research, ideas about financial market and portfolio management. We share ideas about investment, we share ideas about securities and forensic investigation and much more. If you want to join us in forex trading journey, please, the link is on social media platforms and the YouTube channel. We have a link there. If you want to trade with the reputable brokers we trade, please, the link is on the descriptions. If you want to invest with us, currently we are not taking any investment options. We are still working towards building our reserve funds. At least we need to have at least more than $50,000 on our account. That's when we shall design our investment contract agreements. We shall put it online. Our website is still down. We are still trying to incorporate a number of activity. So please subscribe to the channel, like, share, turn on the notification bell. Once you share, you automatically enroll for what? For our my screen has shut down, for our basic forex course, which is 100% off discount. So please share, subscribe, like, turn on the notifications. You want tax advisory services, VAT return, income tax, pay as you earn, withholding tax, rental tax, please send your question to us or send your request to us through the link shared on our social media business consulting help desk. We shall respond to you. Otherwise, happy Easter, stay blessed, all the best everywhere. Peace.